Hey guys, and welcome back. This is my first opportunity to welcome back all the everybody in the school and the new year 8, so we're delighted to have you back. And today in House Assembly we are going to introduce our heads of house. This is obviously a prestigious position within each of the houses for boys that we feel as housemasters have went the extra mile to do their best in school and also to lead others. Certainly I can speak from my perspective that the heads of house that I appointed are boys that have always not only did the best for their own year group but helped younger boys. They've been great role models, and it's certainly something that we're delighted, and we see it as a really prestigious opportunity for boys to step up and take a lead within their house amongst their peers. So we wish them all the best as housemasters, and certainly just besides that, gents, it's really good to get everybody back and for us to start entertaining our house competitions and really get involved. So we're looking forward to continuing our digital assemblies, and we'll try to make them as engaging as possible, and I hope that you really have a fantastic year. So all the best from all the housemasters, and we look forward to chatting to you again next week.
Hi, I'm Allden. I'm head of house for Alden this year, and I enjoy rugby, and my vision for the house is to win as many cups as possible and get everyone involved.
Hi, I'm Jack Bull. I'm the new head of house for Allison this year. I also enjoy playing rugby, and I'd like to see as many people participate in the events as possible and getting full teams out.
I'm Cameron McClure.
And I'm Sam Goll.
We're the heads of house to produce this house
And our aim for this year is
to maintain our competitive winning spirit and our dominance.
Hi, I'm Ben Jackson. I'm head of house for Dobbin. I play rugby and cricket. My goal for the house is to hopefully win the cup and bring it back for Dobbin.
Hi, I'm River Graham. I'm the head of Fights for Prices. I enjoy hockey, and I want everyone to participate in one event this year.
Hello, my name is Andre. I'm head of schoolhouse. I'll try to get everybody involved in the boarding community and try to do our best to win the cup.
My name is Carl Lemon, and I'm head of house for Yates. I'm captain of the first 11 hockey team, and I hope to get everyone involved in Yates so that we can challenge the end of your house rankings.